You right there. I know you trying to take your outfits to the next level, and I'm about to give y'all the secret to how to make all of your outfits 10 times better, bro. I kid you not. Now, some of y'all might know some of these things, but some of y'all might not, bro. So I feel like it's only right that I put you on. This is a fashion channel, so I feel like I'm obligated at this point. Now, I'm gonna give you one word, bro. Accessories. Now, I know y'all probably like, yo, we heard this already, but look, I added a new one in here that y'all might not have heard about before, so we gonna just run it through. Hear me out. First one on the list, jewelry. Second on the list, headwear. Third on the list is the one you ain't heard of, Hipwear, bro. I just came up with that just now. I think Hipwear is the new thing. I'll break it down to you in a second. Fourth, we got bags. Now, starting off with jewelry. We all kind of know that jewelry has always been that missing piece to any good outfit. As a matter of fact, the outfit really don't even gotta be that good. But if you have on a couple of necklaces and maybe like an earring or two, I'm telling you, it makes your outfit go from like mediocre to like, that dude be putting it on for real. Let me know who his stylist is right now. And I'll put a few examples up on the screen, but I mean, like, you quite literally could be wearing a t-shirt and pants. And granted, you should make sure your t-shirt and pants look fire, but like, that's all you gotta wear and you throwing a necklace or something, bro? Boom. Instantly, like, hitting a little harder than it used to, you know what I'm saying? Like, you can borderline put on a hoodie, white t-shirt, and like some jeans or something like that, bro. But I promise you, if you got a necklace on or something like that, bro, 10 out of 10. Maybe not 10 out of 10, but y'all get what I'm saying. On top of necklaces, I feel like earrings are very, very important. This is something that a lot of people don't really take seriously for whatever reason. Now, I know it might have been a point in time to where a lot of men weren't wearing a lot of earrings, but now I feel like we're at a point to where almost everybody kind of got their ears pierced, bruh. Or if you don't, you probably should, because it can completely change the way your face looks. Now, some people might have a stronger jawline. Some people might have a little bit more of like a shallow or maybe a rounder face. And when I tell you, if you can find the perfect earring to match how your face looks, it gives that extra accent to what people are looking at. Like, let's say you have more of like a thinner face, yo. When you add an earring to it, it kind of fills in those missing gaps that you might not be able to fill in with maybe like a jawline or something like that. Or even if you have a more fuller face, you might be able to offset it with a bolder earring. Next, we got headwear. Now, this kind of has the same effect. And what I mean by headwear is I really just mean like beanies, baseball caps. It could be headphones, bucket hat, like, y'all get what I'm trying to say. But like, honestly, that can usually be the missing piece to whatever an outfit is, and you can kind of use that as an accent of color to kind of play around with the mixes, you know what I'm saying? Like, oftentimes I like to use my hats as the one pop of color. I have this red hat that I quite literally wear all the time. Like, I'll put like a denim on denim fit, put the red hat on, and instantly looks crazier. Like, I could have just left it at denim and denim, but I didn't. And now I'm flyer to you. You feel me? Now, you kind of use the same idea for things like headphones. I know there was a point in time where like the Apple headphones were extremely popular. Everybody had a pair. Everybody was kind of like rocking them on a day-to-day basis. But what a lot of people don't realize is that it was mostly for our aesthetics. Like, yes, do we all like to listen to music on our normal day-to-day activities? Yes. But do we like to look good while doing it? Also, yes. So I feel like it was just like a win-win type of situation. Third on the list, we got hipwear. Now, I know y'all kind of like, yo, what is hipwear? Like, you know what I'm saying? What are we doing here? But look, hear me out. Your belts and your wallet chains are going to save your life, bro. I'm telling you. I have been wearing these all fashion week, and when I tell you, it makes your pants look like, I don't even know how to explain it, bro. Like, it's like jewelry for your pants. Like, come on, bro. Like, I just explained to you how important jewelry is. Why would you not take it to the next level and put it on your pants? Like, come on, gang. So this is going to be one of those things where it's going to be great if you're already advanced with proportions. So a lot of us already have been in the realm of wearing like maybe like a longer exaggerated pair of pants and then like a shorter top. So when you are doing so, it shows off your belt, and this is where you can get real freaky with dressing, bro. I'm telling you, like, you can wear different color belts, you can wear different texture belts, you can wear belts with different type of metals, different type of buckles, like different leathers. Like, you really can go crazy with the belt. And then if you can complement that with a fire wallet chain, You out of here, gang. You out of here, bro. I'm telling you, I'm giving you all the sauce. And then last but not least on that list, we have bags. Now the bags are so widespread at this point to where you almost can wear any type of bag that you want. We had a phase to where people were wearing like satchels or like man purses or whatever you want to call it. Like those are in, bro. You got like the big cost bag that was like trending for a hot minute. I still be rocking mine. I got 2 colorways in that joints. You got tote bags. I know all the tote bag warriors, a couple of y'all are still out there. I don't see y'all as often, but I know it's a few out there still. You also got book bags, and I'm not gonna lie, I've seen a crazy amount of different ways that people are making book bags nowadays, and it honestly has been elevating a lot of the outfits that I've seen. I have a couple for myself. You can find book bags with different accessories. You can find book bags in different shapes. You can get smaller bags. You can get bigger bags. You can get bigger bags. Like it really gets crazy out here, and I really think that it can make people like double take just based on that. Matter of fact, everything that I'm giving y'all, honestly, usually costs a little bit less than the actual clothing. Now, granted, I know jewelry is kind of pricey because precious metals and all that, but like when you really start to look at it, bro, things like bags, headwear, headphones, like honestly usually be on the lower end. Like they usually aren't like sneakers or like high-end designer that cost thousands of dollars each piece. They really be like at a good affordable price. Even when you're buying it designer items that are accessories are 9 times out of 10 the cheapest items that designer brand sells. So this is what you should be investing in. I'm not saying don't spend the money on clothes, because I do think that if you get the right fit and stuff like that the clothes will hit. But like, bro, you can really go plain Jane on the fit and then go crazy on the accessories, and people gonna look at you like your whole entire fit was hard, bro. I'm telling you, if you don't believe me, take this out to the streets, try it. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments, and I'll be back to y'all with more, man. Peace.